Over 60? Eat these 3 seeds to protect your eyes and retina naturally. Are you over 60 and worried about your vision? Maybe you've noticed your eyesight isn't as sharp as it used to be. Blurry vision, difficulty reading, or trouble seeing at night. You're not alone. Age-related vision problems, including macular degeneration, retina damage, and eye fatigue, are incredibly common after 60. But here's the good news. You don't need expensive eye drops or risky procedures to help protect your eyes. Research shows that certain natural foods and seeds can provide the nutrients your eyes need to stay strong, healthy, and functional, even as you age. In this video, I'm going to show you 3 seeds that you can eat daily to protect your eyes, strengthen your retina, and support overall eye health naturally. These are simple, easy-to-add foods that fit right into a senior-friendly diet. Before we dive in, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss vital health tips for seniors. Let's begin. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA. These healthy fats are vital for the retina, the delicate light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye responsible for clear vision. Here's why they're so important. The retina depends on omega-3 fats to maintain the structure of its cell membranes. Without enough omega-3s, these membranes become weak and more prone to damage from light and oxidative stress. Studies have shown that omega-3s can reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, one of the leading causes of vision loss in seniors. They also help keep the small capillaries in the retina flexible and open, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach the eye's deepest layers. Flax seeds also contain lignans, plant compounds that act as antioxidants. They help neutralize free radicals that can damage the lens and cornea, 2 areas essential for clear, sharp sight. Another major benefit is their anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic low-grade inflammation is a major factor in dry eyes, blurry vision, and eye fatigue. By lowering inflammation, flax seeds help maintain the thin tear film that keeps the eyes moist and comfortable. Simply put, flax seeds protect your eyes from within, nourishing the retina, reducing inflammation, and preserving the clear, focused vision that helps you stay independent and confident. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds may be small, but their nutritional impact on the eyes is enormous. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, protein, and minerals that nourish every part of the visual system. One of their greatest strengths is improving microcirculation, the flow of blood through the smallest vessels in the eyes. Healthy circulation ensures that the retina receives enough oxygen and nutrients to regenerate its light-sensitive cells. Poor circulation is a hidden cause of eye fatigue and blurred vision in older adults. Chia's natural omega-3s keep blood vessels flexible, preventing stiffness or plaque buildup that could starve the retina of oxygen. Chia seeds also contain a rich supply of antioxidants like quercetin and chlorogenic acid, which reduce inflammation and prevent oxidative stress in the lens and macula, the center of the retina responsible for detailed vision. Another lesser-known benefit of chia seeds is their natural ability to retain water. They can absorb several times their weight in liquid, creating a gel-like consistency. Inside the body, this translates to better hydration of tissues, including the delicate mucous membranes that keep your eyes moist and comfortable. When the eyes are properly hydrated, they are less prone to irritation, dryness, or redness, common problems that often worsen after age 60. So while chia seeds nourish your eyes at a cellular level, they also help maintain everyday comfort and clarity. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are among the best sources of zinc, a trace mineral that plays a central role in vision health. Zinc is essential for the transport of vitamin A from the liver to the retina, where it's used to produce melanin, the pigment that shields the eyes from light damage. Without enough zinc, the retina can't regenerate its light-sensitive cells effectively, which may lead to night vision problems or slower adaptation to darkness. Research shows that people with adequate zinc levels have a lower risk of developing macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss in seniors. In fact, zinc supplementation has been a key component of the well-known AREDS Age-related eye disease study. Formula that slows the progression of age-related macular degeneration. But zinc isn't the only reason pumpkin seeds stand out. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, two carotenoids found naturally in the retina. These pigments act as a natural internal sunscreen, absorbing harmful blue light and ultraviolet radiation that can damage the macula over time. Additionally, pumpkin seeds offer vitamin E, magnesium, and healthy fats, which together strengthen the structural integrity of eye tissues. Magnesium helps regulate blood flow to the optic nerve, while vitamin E guards against oxidation. This combination of minerals, carotenoids, and antioxidants makes pumpkin seeds one of the most complete foods for protecting the retina and preserving long-term vision clarity. These seeds are simple, natural, and easy to add to your meals. Just small daily portions can make a big difference in eye health, reducing dryness, protecting the retina, and slowing age-related vision decline. Start today by sprinkling these seeds on your oatmeal, yogurt, or smoothie, and make it part of your senior-friendly daily routine. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend or family member over 60 who wants to protect their eyes naturally. And tell me in the comments, which seed will you start eating tonight? Flax, chia, or pumpkin? I'd love to hear your choice. Thanks for watching, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.